Today's practical is resistance of ballistic galvanometer by half deflection method. It is the title of our experiment. Aim: to determine the resistance of ballistic galvanometer G by half deflection method. For that, the required apparatus are ballistic galvanometer, lamp and scale arrangement, 4-way key, resistance boxes and battery cell. I will show you one by one. It is the ballistic galvanometer in having the tap key in its throat. Now, it is 4-way key. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 terminals. R, P and Q are the 3 resistance boxes. It is one-way key and it is battery cell. Now I will explain you the present circuit. One of the wire of BZ is connected directly to the high resistance box R. The second terminal of R is divided into two. One is connected to small resistance box P having the range 1 to 10 ohm and its bifurcation is connected to one of the terminal of the 4-way key. Once you connected the wire of this 4-way key to this terminal, you have to keep the position of the 4-way key is fixed. Then exactly the front terminal of this first one is connected to the resistance Q and second terminal of resistance box P, second terminal of resistance box Q combined together and that combined terminal is connected to the second terminal of ballistic galvanometer. Now remains there are 2 points of this 4-way key and that is connected to the battery cell or drive cell through this 1-way key. It is about the present circuit diagram. Now while actually performing the experiment, what should we do? We keep this resistance R as 2000 throughout the experiment and that is constant. And we should vary these two resistances. That is P starts from 1 to 10 ohm in the ranges of 1, 1, 1 and so on. Means successively we have to take 10 readings for P as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. This R is 2000 which is constant. But here the equation is among these 3 resistance boxes, that is P plus Q is equal to R. As you know, P is 1, R is 2000. At the same time, Q should be 1999. Now I am showing you this observation table. That is resistance box 1 to 10, resistances from Q box as 4999 to this 4990 means it is 5000 and it is we have to find the deflection. Here P plus Q is equal to R. R is either you can take 2000 or you can take the 5000. Here I am showing the experiment observation table for R having 5000 value. P plus Q is equal to R. 4990 plus 10 is 5000. This plus this is 5000 and so on. Now again what will be our next duty? When we remove from the resistance box P as 10 from Q as this, then we have to close 2 gaps of the 4-way key. Once you pick out the resistance from here, resistance from here, resistance from here, then you have to close these 2 resistance boxes in order to apply the supply among these 2 terminals, because ultimately these 2 terminals are connected to respective resistance boxes and remaining 2 are connected to the supply. That's why when you are picking some resistances in a proper calculation by maintaining the equation P plus Q is equal to R, we should close the remaining 2 terminals of the 4-way key by applying this supply. Now we have to calculate this R equal to 0. The resultant deflection of the spot on the horizontal scale of ballistic galvanometer is 21 and we have to find out the half of the deflection. For P is equal to 10, Q is equal to this, R is equal to 0, and by closing the 2 terminals of the 4-way key which are connected to the battery through one way key. At that time on the deflection scale you have shown the deflection is equal to this 21. But what is our expectation here? We have to find out the half deflection, and how it will be find out by varying the resistance from this R resistance box, which is very greater as compared to these two. At that time we should pick up slowly some resistances keys from this box in order to have the deflection on the spot should be exactly one half of the previous deflection. It comes out to be 201. The same procedure is followed for remaining 9 readings, means for you have to take the 10 readings and complete the trial. This is for proper these two values, it is the full deflection. For this value of when R is equal to 0, when R is equal to this, the deflection will be exactly one half as the previous deflection, and so on. And hence we have to finally calculate the mean of this last column as deflection R ohm. Therefore resistance of ballistic galvanometer equal to G, it comes out to be 203 ohm. It is the experiment from group 3rd for 30 marks. It is very simple experiment. Now in this experiment, what are the oral questions? What is ballistic galvanometer? What are the other types of galvanometers? What do you mean by half deflection? What do you mean by full deflection? Which method you are using for obtaining such results, and so on. While facing the practical examination online, you should face such questions for your oral.